Hi, everybody. My name is Scott Rubinski, and I'm the Technical Solutions Director here at QuadCore. Here to talk to you today about our product HubShip, which is the shipping integration interface with CloudSuite Industrial. To go over a couple points, when it comes to the value realization of HubShip, it gives you one centralized area for all of your shipping needs. It provides you with an easy-to-use interface that's nice and simple and native to CloudSuite Industrial. It also allows you to save precious time by not tracking things down, such as the tracking number as well as the shipping paperwork. On top of all of that, the shipping labels actually come directly from the carrier portal directly to CloudSuite Industrial as well by utilizing Infor document management. Second, it provides you with seamless communication between CloudSuite Industrial and all of the carrier portals. So you can just perform your typical transactions as you normally would, whether it's order shipping, pick, pack, ship shipping, or service order shipping, and you can schedule the shipments directly from your ERP. Freight billing made easy. So we also provide you with different chargeback rules whenever it comes to prepaid and ad shipments. Currently, you're able to charge back your customers on prepaid and ad shipments by upcharging either your UPS, FedEx, or DHL accounts. And last but not least, you eliminate duplicate entries. As you know, every time you have to perform a data entry, there's that risk of error. Each one of these clicks of a button can very literally cost you thousands of dollars. You're able to store customer preferences directly into CloudSuite Industrial. That way they can pull automatically whenever you schedule your shipments. So how does the whole thing work? So first and foremost, as I mentioned earlier, you're going to proceed as you normally would by entering in the shipment information directly into CloudSuite Industrial. You're going to select your carrier, your package, your weights and dimensions, and then also the service level and billing information into CloudSuite Industrial. From there, there's going to be an API call that goes out to the carrier portals. It's going to send back information such as the tracking information, the cost of the shipment, and also the shipping label to CloudSuite Industrial. And last but not least, the shipping label is saved into Infor document management. The tracking information is then stored within the shipment record. And again, the cost of the shipment is going to be uploaded to the customer order or service order header. From a roadmap standpoint, we have Q1 behind us where we've successfully introduced an additional carrier in DHL. We've also introduced small parcel rate shopping and international support as well. For Q2, we're giving our customers the ability to capture the cost at a miscellaneous transaction level for service orders. Present day, as I mentioned, it goes on to the header of the service order. But if you want to keep your costs separate, you'll also be able to do it on a miscellaneous transaction level as well. Second, tiered upcharge configuration for billing charges. So present day, you can upcharge, as I mentioned, each carrier individually. What I mean by that is I can upcharge UPS by 10% and FedEx by 15% and DHL by 20%. In the future, we're also going to allow you to keep track of this at a customer and ship to level as well. There could be some customers that are going to be charged more from a shipping standpoint. There could also be customers that you don't want to charge all from a shipping standpoint or a very minimal amount, and you'll have full control over that at the end of Q2. Q3, we're going to be introducing shipping scale integrations, bringing in the receipt to Infor document management, and then last but not least, introducing one additional carrier with USPS. In Q4, it's going to be a big quarter for us. So we're going to be introducing LTL support as well. Present day, we are small parcel, but in Q4 of 2025, we'll be small parcel and LTL. And last but not least, we're also going to be introducing the ability to utilize HubShip for transfer order shipments, for vendor shipping, for RMA returns, and also project shipping. On to the next slide. Why HubShip? So the first three on top of this pyramid really go hand in hand. So it's scalable, it's configurable, and it's native to CSI. It's scalable and configurable because this is built with Mongoose, which is the same tool set that is used to build CloudSuite Industrial. It's safe and secure. Again, it's part of your ERP system, so it shares the same security measures that CloudSuite Industrial has. And last but not least, the foundation of everything. It provides you with a single source of truth. As mentioned earlier, typically would have to go out to numerous different carrier portals. You'd have to go to the UPS portal to schedule UPS shipments, and go to the FedEx portal to schedule FedEx shipments, and to go to the DHL portal to schedule DHL shipments. With HubShip, you can schedule all of those shipments directly from the ERP interface. That being said, let's go ahead and hop into a live example here. So for today's example, I'm going to utilize an order shipping transaction, and I'm going to go ahead and ship out customer order DC814. I just want to point out no freight cost has been added at this point yet. So I'm going to go ahead and take this customer order, go to my order shipping screen, and I'm going to go ahead and ship out both of these customer order lines. Again, I just want to point out nothing has changed in this process from a standard process. So I've posted both of these transactions. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and launch HubShip by clicking the button. You're going to notice my ship to information has carried over from the customer order. My ship from has carried over from the customer order, and my items have all carried over from the customer order as well. At this point, I might want to perform some rate shopping so that the ship code carries down from the customer order. But let's say the customer wants me to do some rate shopping and find out if there's a better option. So I can simply add some packages. I can update my weight here, and then I can add those packages whenever I'm complete. As I add packages, they're going to be captured underneath the packages tab. Whenever I'm complete, I can click my rate shopping button and simply select get rate. At this point, I can specify who's going to be billed for the transportation. In this case, you can see that the shipper, being myself, is going to be billed for the transportation. Whenever I'm ready to go ahead and schedule the shipment, I can hit my post to carrier button. And now it's communicating with the UPS World Ship portal to schedule this shipment. And you can see that the shipment has been scheduled successfully. At this point, if I go to my details tab, you'll notice that we've now captured the tracking number. And if we open up our IDM viewer, Info Document Management viewer, you'll notice that I have a copy of the label here as well. So you can see how simple and easy that was, all within the interface of Cloud Suite Industrial. Thank you everybody so much for your time today. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.